magic bullet, the original bullet which was first invented. We got that one, which is just hardly less than $50, which I got from Amazon, and yeah, it's still selling, but it can't beat the latest one, which is NutriBullet. So, but then this is very child friendly, even my daughter can do it. So we try to unpack it and unboxing. So this is the video. It's set in a nice box here, as you can see, with all the display of all the things you can do. Even my daughter could just unbox it. It was very lightweight, and it is a first bullet. It's a 200 watt, so you can expect what it is for the worth it is. So let's explore more. Is the jar and the blender blade. Okay.
Make a smoothie with cinnamon, orange, and mango. Let's start. I'm going to put this really nice mango. Yep, plop, and more plop, one more plop, another one plop, and this one. Now I'm going to put some orange, and the watermelon will be by itself.
So is that an apple juice?
Yep.
Thank you.
Wow. Let's do some more. Wow.
Now for the presentation, I'm going to add 1 spoon of orange juice in the sugar. You can use a spoon to mix it. And then you're going to dip your presentation cloth. So you got a bottom.
Now let's pour the juice in.
Okay.
Because my favorite is heart, I'm going to get this watermelon and put heart in it. Like this. I got the shape. I used this because heart is my favorite.
What do you use this for?
We get this.
Just drop it like that? Yeah, okay.
And voila. This
Okay, then.
comes.
Alright, now we're going to serve it in the glass. So,
Now let's pour. Amazing.
you want an ice cube or you want to put this watermelon?
Let's put some ice cubes and watermelon. First, I'm going to put this cute little watermelon.
No problem, you have another heart.
Use this one just a little. Almost ready, but I think we're missing.
You want to drink it and tell me how it is?
Test it.
You added some ice cubes and yummy.
Let's make another one. Let's put
You're doing another juice, watermelon. This time we're going to blend it thoroughly. And can you drink this and tell me how it was, or you want to drink both of them at the same time? Or?
I think that
You sipped it? How did it taste?
it tastes great.
Wow, amazing. So that's it. It's for one person, so that's sufficient.
No, it's for 2 people.
2 people, then add some more.
Jum, jum. That's enough now. Nice blendy time. Done. Maybe. It looks so cool, guys. This is that. This is that. This is that. It looks great. Let's pour it.
That's it.
That's enough.
And
I'm gonna put some for this.